So in the last video, we talked about a fallacy, and that fallacy was called affirming the consequence. And right now, I'm going to give you another form of a mixed hypothetical syllogism, and I want you to think about whether it's valid or invalid. And so here it is. If Faith gets bossy, then Hayden will slap her. Hayden did not slap her. Therefore, Faith must not have been bossy. Let me say it again. If Faith gets bossy, then Hayden will slap her. Hayden did not slap her. Therefore, Faith must not have gotten bossy. What do you think? Valid or invalid? And if you said valid, you are correct. So what we know from syllogisms is that we have to assume automatically that the premises are true 100% no matter what. So I know for a fact that as soon as Faith gets bossy, then Hayden is going to start slapping, okay? This is an assumed thing. I also know for a fact that Hayden did not slap her, okay? So these two are automatically true. If Faith would have gotten bossy, then Hayden would have slapped. It would have been a necessary thing that would have happened, but he didn't. And so that does indeed mean that she did not get bossy. And so I'm going to write down the abbreviated form of this argument using P's and Q's. So this says, if P, then Q. Q did not happen. Therefore, P must not have happened. So this is called modus tollens, and I'm not going to tell you what it means because I want you to look that up yourself. It is Latin. And I can give you another example if we use our jar of beads at school example. So I tell you guys that if you guys get your jar filled up, then I will throw a party for you. And you have to assume that I'm telling the truth, okay? You have to assume that I'm going to keep my word. And what we know is that I did not throw a party for you. That must mean that as long as I am assumed to be a keeper of my word, that must mean that you guys didn't fill up your jar, which is a very likely possibility.